Yes, my people, it's Cecil G from AFTV, and you're watching Eddie Vision TV. Love.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm your host Eddie Guna. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas when it comes, Happy New Year. You know, we look forward to 2024, we look forward to bringing out more content and sharing with the community. Now 2023, you know, year coming like tire. It was a good year. You know what I mean? And we saw the senior girls and the senior boys, you know, qualify and also play in tournaments. Now, we're going to do something different. In a year, so we're going to create a combined 11. Both male and female. This has never been done on YouTube. So if you see it somewhere else, they saw it here first. Right? A combined 11. Reggae Boy, Reggae Girl 11. For the year 2023. In goal. Huge call for me. Andre Blake versus Rebecca Spencer. Only one winner. Becky. Impressive at the World Cup. At the highest level. Down under in Australia. Shutting out the likes of France and Brazil. 3 clean sheets in 3 group games. Stunning. Right? Rebecca Spencer in goal. But let me just highlight the entire back 5 for the Reggae Girls. The Reggae Girls put on a defensive clinic. Nobody could get through in the last World Cup. So kudos to the entire defensive unit. Tierney Wilshire, right back. The Swaby sisters, Alice Swaby got the win against Panama. Chantel Swaby, Denisha Denden Blackwood picking up player of the game. You know, Spencer also picked up a player of the game. So this defensive unit was clicking. So no doubt for me, the backline will have to go to the Reggae Girls. Their entire World Cup was based on defending, and those girls defended like their lives depended on it. So kudos to Lauren Donaldson for setting up the team. It was a complete team, you know, everybody played their part defensively. But the backline has to go in this team of the year for me. In midfield, let us start with the Reggae Boy, Damien Nanalo. Obviously, he's a centre back. But at this time, the centre back positions are hard to get in. Ethan Pinnock did well as well. But what brought Nana to the top for me, or in this team, was the game in Toronto. We all know he stepped into the DM role and pressed, got an assist, 1 tackles. He set the tempo for us to get back in that game and get the win. So obviously we're going to put him in at the DM role. Big up Damon Nanalo. Also Damon Lowe scored in the Gold Cup as well. Drew Spence. quality midfielder. And across both teams, there's no such midfielder like Drew Spence. Yes, Ravel could, push her, but Ravel didn't play games in 2023. Didn't play a lot of games, so I believe only one game against Mexico. You can correct me if I'm wrong. But Drew Spence has to hold on the second midfield deep lying role. Up top, he didn't get a lot of goals from both teams, male or female. Bunny Shaw was a massive disappointment in 2023. I don't believe we got a goal from Bunny in 2023. No goals at the World Cup. No goals against Canada in the Olympic qualifier. So difficult for her to be in this team. So on the left hand side, Demarai Gray. Demi. 5 goals, and about 1 million assists. So in the short time, he has impacted the team so much that it's hard not to put him in the team of the year. Bobby D. Cordova-Reid, third best on the scoring sheet as a Jamaican, as it relates to Reggae Boy. 4 goals and a cool penalty up in Toronto to help us seal the victory. Bobby D. Cordova-Reid for me in the 10. Now on the right hand side, only scored 2 goals in 2023. But if we're being honest, I can't see any other winger to put in. Didn't have the best 2023 for Jamaica. Excellent for Aston Villa as I'm recording. Excellent for Aston Villa. He played all the games at right wing. So we don't have anybody else to compare him with on the men's side. On the female, yeah, could put in a Jody Brown. Disappointing at the World Cup. Scored in qualifying. But, that's the overall play for Leon. Yes, creating chances, but missing recently. But, that's the iffy part. So I just put in Leon for now still, people. So don't kill me. Leon Bailey. Up top, big man Bowser made a comeback at the end of the season. Came alive at the end of the season. And he's the Reggae Boyz top goal scorer for 2023. 6 goals. Shamar, Bowser, Nicholson. Mikel Antonio was quiet for the entire year. So we needed goals and Bowser stepped up. Crucially, up in Toronto and also in Jamaica. He scored 3 goals over the 2 games. Excellent. So there you have it, fans. The combined Reggae Boy, Reggae Girl 11. Let me know what you guys thought about this 11. Again in goal, Rebecca Spencer, Tierney Wilshire, right back, the Swebe sisters, centre back. Then Blackwood, left back. Damian Nanalo, Drew Spence, Leon Chippy Bailey, Bobby D. Cordova-Reid, Demarai Gray, and Bowser. Can you find another 11 that is better than this one? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know if Leon Bailey deserves a spot in the team of 2023. This is Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. And always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, my name is Tavia Gooden and I am one of the members of TagDat. TagDat is a Jamaican company that was established in 2022 with the vision of bringing Jamaican proverbs to life with imagery. We also do customized shirts, hats, and other items. You can find us on Instagram at TagDat22. You can send us a WhatsApp at 876-513-8229, or you can send us an email at tagdat22@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eddie Vision TV.